Imagine standing amidst a sea of over 2 million fans. The air electric with anticipation for Lady Gaga's performance on Rio's Copacabana beach. Unbeknownst to the crowd, a sinister plot was unfolding, a plan to detonate bombs and unleash chaos. Thanks to swift action by Brazilian authorities, disaster was averted. The foiled attack was orchestrated by a radical group masquerading as devoted fans, aiming to exploit the event's magnitude for notoriety. Their strategy involved recruiting teenagers online, spreading hate, and planning violence. This incident underscores a critical lesson: the importance of mental resilience in the face of unforeseen threats. How would you react if your safety were suddenly compromised? Would panic ensue, or would you remain composed? Mental resilience is the capacity to adapt and thrive amidst adversity. According to the Mayo Clinic, it involves behaviors, thoughts, and actions that can be learned and developed. Key strategies include self-awareness, recognize your emotional responses and understand their triggers. Mindfulness, practice staying present to manage stress effectively. Support networks, cultivate relationships that provide emotional backing during challenging times. Purposeful living, engage in activities that align with your values and goals. These practices not only fortify your mental state but also prepare you to handle crises with composure. Consider integrating resilience-building habits into your routine. Regular exercise. Physical activity boosts mood and reduces anxiety. Adequate sleep. Rest is essential for emotional regulation. Healthy nutrition. A balanced diet supports overall well-being. Continuous learning. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. By adopting these habits, you equip yourself to face uncertainties with confidence and stability. The thwarted attack at Lady Gaga's concert serves as a stark reminder of life's unpredictability. Yet, it's also a testament to human resilience and the power of preparedness. By cultivating mental strength, you not only safeguard your well-being, but also inspire those around you to do the same. Remember, resilience isn't about avoiding stress, but mastering the art of navigating through it. Stay vigilant, stay strong, and continue striving for personal growth.